policy will be voided. Right. Let's start the stream.
Go ahead. This is a really great song, though. Like a legend on the silver screen, my fun diffused. What's up, everybody? What's up, Denny? What's up, everybody? Oh, man, I tell you, a lot of people pissed off, man. This is why My Funded Futures is the best prop firm out there, baby. Unbelievable. It was Christmas in December. Man, what shorts today. What great longs. You know, Denny, let me tell you something. I told you about divergences. Can anybody see my chart? Can they see my chart? They can't see my chart right now. They can't see it?
No, they can.
They can. Okay, sorry. Okay. So look at this pattern here today. Right? Every time you made a new low, here, 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 right? Look at these MACDs. They did not confirm. You had nothing but buy divergences on here. Look at this. Look at this. An absolute Picasso. Here, here, here. Unbelievable, Denny. You see these buy divergences here? Unbelievable. I don't know, Asim. What do you mean on TradingView? Did you subscribe to my chart overlay? My stuff's different, okay, Asim? So I don't know. I don't know what he's talking about, but anyway, hello everybody. How's everybody doing? We only got 76 people watching today? Or that's gotta be. You subscribe to me, Hasim? Shalom. Shalom. Why is there... How come you can't refresh this thing? S&Ps. Good evening, Heat. Mikey Jacques. Nasdaq. Kaboom. Yes, sir. Miss Valerie, how are you, Miss Valerie? It's Christmas in December. Got to make it BA, not December. Denny, something wrong with the chat here, I think, right? It's not. How do you get this thing to recycle here? Platinum got kabooshed. I'm long the gold. This gold's a long. This gold's a long on that pullback there. Well, it just says we're stuck at 76 people. I can't refresh it. I don't know. For F5. Not working. Oh, F5. Oh, there it goes. There you go. Thank you. How'd that happen? All right. All right. There goes the gold right back up. Pulled in nicely here. Now, if you're looking at the gold, all right. So you're looking at the gold here. You can see the gold. Let's look at the bigger time frames here. Remember, gold yesterday was negative on the bigger time frame. Now we're bullish here. If these 15-minute time frames reverse to buy, you're bullish here, you're bullish here. This gold's going to go. Damn it, right when we came in. The 15s are about to reverse to buy. Then you look to buy pullbacks here on gold. Absolutely buy it. Look to buy. Oh my God, up 5. Up 5. What do you mean it's a miracle, Harrison? It was a great day. I think it was a really great day, if you ask me. It was a great day on the markets. Just my personal opinion here. How was everybody today? Everybody good? Everybody good here? Okay. You know, Denny, one thing that really pissed me off today, when I came on at the 10:30, there was 758 people. By the time I left, there was 308. You can't tell me 400 people just stick around for a raffle. That's BS. Right?
I want to say
Okay, but what the hell's that? So you have a raffle. So what about learning? What about learning how to make money? Right? That's what I think, but that's just my point, my opinion, you know. That's just my opinion. We're going to look here to see what's going on. NASDAQ S&P's pushing up here. Nice oversold condition on the 30-minute time frame. Still got room to go here on the NASDAQ on the upside. Right? Hey, Ryan, you can make a lot of money if you trade a barcode, right? Syrian. All right, yeah. All right. Gold just got cabooshed here a little bit. We got to wait to see if these this gold. How about this crazy silver today? Have you seen this silver, what it was doing? This silver is crazy.
right now.
This silver is insane. Look at this 5-minute time frame. Unbelievable. Opened here exactly 8 o'clock, 92, and it kaboomed up. Jesus, look at this, 26 cents. Gold got cabooshed. All right, how's everybody doing tonight? They don't want to exactly. They want to make money. I met somebody today, and they said, "Oh yeah, I want to buy a couple accounts." I said, "You know what you're doing?" No, not really. Okay, Hitman killed it in silver today. Good job, Hitman. Hitman, look at this 15-minute pullback. Hitman, look at that bull flag right there. Hitman, look at that. Right after the close. No buying and selling candles. Oh my God. Derek, how are you? Well, Derek, the first thing as a young as a young trader, the first thing I would tell you I would do is you got to master putting your orders in on the DOM, trading it, and then the second thing is learn a methodology, right? Every day I have a methodology I teach based upon using 3 time frames, 5 conditions, okay? That's a beautiful bull flag. So the methodology you really should be, before you buy anything. That's my Hendrix in the background. You're making a lot of noise, Boo Boo. Oh, that bony. You got that bone. Is he okay with that bone? Should I take it away? Yeah. Okay, it's when I'm choking. All right. So Denny, what do they say about Wednesday? Because I made plans when I made reservations with my kids when they told me that there was no stream on Wednesday on Christmas and New Year's Eve. You can swallow that, can he? Choking.
Did it out?
Too small.
I think it's.
Yeah. Come here.
Switch.
Come here before my
Because
dog chokes
otherwise
over
it's
here.
gonna use it.
Come.
I
Come.
think-
Grab that one from him. Let me have it.
I don't know.
What a waste. Okay. Gold's making new highs here. Oh my God, this gold. You gotta look to buy pullbacks on this gold if the 15-minute time frame reverses to buy. There goes silver. Ayo, silver. Silver's making new highs here. Exactly, Taylor. Exactly. Hey, 2 times. Hey, Juliana. How'd you do today? R. Francis, how are you? Oh, wow. Look at this silver. Oh, my God. It kaboomed. I'd take a scalp short here. 33 up to 43 if you want. I would use micros on the silver. All right. Again, let's take, this is a scalp short here on silver. All right. What's up, Gabriel Trades? How are you? Just scalp this thing. Look to just cover this thing below 30. Just scalp the short here. Rapid accounts. Hey, I heard you guys have a new, Steve wouldn't have gold, divergence, new high, 30-minute. I'm reading it wrong. Let me see. Let me see the 30-minute gold. Let me see the 30-minute heat. 30-minute time frame? Let me see. Yeah, MACD's non-confirmation, but I want to see it go a little higher. If this gold gets up to like the 48.5 to 53, 54.5, I would take the short on the gold. And then I would wait for a pullback to get long. Okay, Heat, that's a good one. Okay, good job, Heat. Right. Silver, that's why I said look to cover below 30. I'd short the silver again here. 48 up to 60 range. I would go wide every 2 cents on micros on silver. Okay. Let's see here. Denny, you guys got a new oh, here goes the gold. I short this gold. You guys got you guys have a new product on you guys have a new product, Denny?
Rapid plan.
Yeah,
Look
what,
at this silver just go though.
oh yeah, it's gotta be shorted up here. Or pullback. What's this rapid plan, Denny?
So you get to take daily payouts. So you pass the account, obviously. Build up a buffer in anything.
Look to cover this gold between the 46.80, 47.80. This silver's got to be. I was short the scalp, short this. Anybody short the gold, just raise. Good job. Okay. Drop silver. You short silver? Not now. I wait. Look at this. Look at the gold drop. Look at the gold drop. There goes the gold dropping. What, gold? You're short? Yeah, you just got to scalp it in and out. Gold was a nice one, but you got to buy silver here. I mean, this is a very strong. Got to wait. Come on, sell gold. You shorted silver. We're at 64.03. Who told you to do that? Not yet. Look at this gold drop. Gotta wait for silver to drop here. Yeah, you gotta wait for silver to drop. How'd you do today overall? So I can't believe, is this true, Denny, that you told me?
Yeah. So I have two. About 2 o'clock, everything got shut down. After it reopened, I made that amount, and then they took it away.
I can't understand how they could take. I don't understand how people could be money and take trades away from them.
What's crazy
I don't
is
understand this
that
game.
Two other props, right?
But how could you take a profit? It wasn't illegal. You did nothing wrong. You shorted it. How was there a glitch? The system didn't put a trade in for you. I mean, think about it. The system didn't put a trade in for you, right? What?
What'd you say? No, they said that MFFU.
I said it was Joe Biden. Oh my God. No, but I don't understand. It's you actually clicked to go short, right?
Yes, I clicked the short myself.
Okay. Yeah, but it's not ready yet. It's you want a decent pullback here. So what happened with this project? Can somebody look at this gold drop? This silver is going to drop. So I don't understand. So I don't understand this at all, really. How can a prop firm? What do I use? I use TradeStation, okay, and TradeAvate. All right. I don't understand, and again, I'm not being okay. So I don't understand how you could do this in a way. Truthfully, you got to wait on silver unless you want to take scalp shorts and just go in and out, in and out, in and out. So I don't understand this. How you can put on a trade and then they caboose you. I don't get it. Bitcoin just rallied 600. What a long. Top Step. They caboosed everybody today. So you put on a trade and
Technically, Steven, we're not allowed to talk about them on stream.
oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Sorry, I apologize. I'm sorry. Well, I'm just furious that how do you take trades away from people? My fund of futures doesn't do that. Okay. Anyway, the silver is just going to the moon here. Oh. The silver trades like water. I just shorted 55s. Gold just got absolutely kabooshed. Wow, look at this gold drop. All right, gold just reversed to buy on the 15. Go back. Gold reversed to buy on the 15-minute time frame. On any deep oversold condition, I would look to buy it. All right, if this gold gets down to the 37.5, 42.5 range, I look to buy it. The gold. Wow, where's the silver going? My God.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's leaving. I'm going to short some up here. This is crazy.
Order filled.
Yep.
Order filled. Order filled.
Wow. Oh my God, I shorted that silver on the push up to 73. Oof. Oh my God almighty. All right, there you go. Let's see. We're really looking for a pullback here on the silver. Well, hey, what a Malone. What's going on? There we go. Roll over. Hey, trading for keeps. How you doing? This is a nice long on the gold if it pushes down here into the 10 bar. Really nice long here. Big Venezuela oil news. Really? I don't see much. I mean, oil backed off the highs. Gold pullback was quick. I think it's going to happen again here. No, I said look to cover silver below it, below 30 when it got down there. If you want to scalp it, I said just scalp it. If you don't want to scalp it, just go in and out. If you want to scalp silver here, you're 80 cents from the 10 bar. Okay? I still think the silver is going to drop here. Okay? All-time highs? What's the all-time high? 65.03, right? I think. Get back, please. Back or I'll leave you home. Okay? Really quiet. This gold should have a nice pullback here. Silver should have a nice pullback. I'm going to short some more silver. Scalp it. Doing micros on silver. Made 3 cents in silver. Like that. Boom. So you guys really just, I'm just trading them in and out here. The beer tastes good, Stevie. I don't drink beer, believe it or not. I don't drink beer. Denny, they want to know how to turn on real market data for silver and gold.
Let's go to your building section.
What is going on here? Everybody's talking about this 24-hour trading on NASDAQ. We trade 24 hours now, no?
No. It's in February, Nick, or in the.
On the QQQs, everything? I think it's a great thing. The only thing I don't like is that these option market makers, it sucks because like Nvidia earnings, when earnings come out, they can't trade after hours. They should be the CBOE should let them trade 24 hours a day. That's what I think. That's what I think. Are you long?
No.
I'd like to see a nice pullback on silver, at least 10 to 15 cents here.
I don't want to keep dropping.
I'd like to see a nice pullback here. Gold's pulling in nicely. Am I tired of Dominican rum? No. Come on, silver. Give me a push down here, baby. Oh, sorry. Well, where you long? 70? I wouldn't be. Oh,
I
no.
was in at 70.
Yeah, the PDT rule. What's that, Tommy? Can you explain that one time? I saw that. I didn't see the whole. Cena, how are you, Cena? Then they need to expand options. Okay, they need to expand trading options 24 at least 24 hours a day. Right? The range in gold? Yeah, 36.5 to 42.5 range. Got the nice long on the Nasdaq off the 3-minute time frame. S&P's just pushed up 5. 30s. Wow, PD2. Do you know I proposed that to the president? I swear. There goes the gold. There goes the gold. Oh my God. Denny, I'll tell you a story off the air about the PDT meet. I'm telling you. Wow, $2,000. I love it. I hope you got that long on the gold, not the golf. Gold. Are you offering 78? Oh, 80. So right now, PDT, right, if you have less than 25,000, anybody long the gold? What is that? I just shorted silver. How did I get short silver? Crazy. Did it hit 80? Damn, I hit this exit all on Tradeovate and it.
Come on,
Order
silver.
filled.
Go get him.
Woo! There we go. There we go.
Filled.
I need to make $11 past this.
Filled. Filled. Order filled. Filled. Order filled.
There you go. Boom. Not bad. Not bad. But 7, 8 micros there on silver. There you go.
Made 1K.
There you go, Denny. There you go. Kaboom. There goes the gold. Kaboom. There goes the gold right back up. I think it's going to really, I think this silver, you're 96 cents above the 10 bar moving average. I got to wait for a pullback. I ain't chasing up here. I'm shorting. I'm scalping shorting here. No way. You know? Let's go, Denny. Dang. There we go. There we go. There we go. You got the long at 42 heat? Okay. Well, it just ran $3 on the gold. I hope you got it. You got the long?
Yes.
All right. NASDAQ and S&Ps. Really, there's no clear patterns here. Should have probably shorted them up there, though. Where's the silver? I'm going to short some. It's 87 here. Enough is enough. Nice job, Denny. I would never. That's not what I do. I don't buy something up like 80 cents. I wait for pullbacks and stuff.
I did not do what it did. I feel me higher than what it actually.
I think the silver is going to get kabooshed right here. On the 4-hour? No, I don't know about that. I'm shorting some silver up here. Wow. Silver I just shorted silver at 89, just got cabooshed 7 cents. This thing's gonna drop. This thing's gonna drop hard. Thoughts on crude for tonight, Steven? It's not something that really moves in the Asia session. How's Hendricks? He's doing good. He's eating a bone. Okay. Jennifer, get in there, Jennifer. I'm just scalping the short, looking for a pullback. That was a nice long on the gold, though. That was a pattern. So the 15-minute time frame reversed the buy on the gold, and the strategy is after the 15 reverses the buy, right? You see that right here. Okay, you take the short because the MACDs are above the pivot. You wait for a pullback, and what do you look to do? You buy the first pullback. So you take the short right there. That's what we call the short. Then you take the long. I said look to go long 36.5 to 42.5 evens. You bought one lot. You still made anywhere from $2 to $4 on the gold. Okay, that's a beautiful pattern. Denny, we getting botted here again? Come on.
This is not
600, 700 here. I hope it's real.
No, that actually might be real.
Really? There you go. There you go. All right, I'm going to short this silver again up here. Silver all-time highs. What, 65.04? You got to wait for, oh, man.
5 cons.
What's that? What's my pullback level? I wait for indicator 3 to pull back. Okay, but here's the problem now. I want to teach you guys. Oh, my God, look at this gold. Okay, you see this here? 64.50.
Order filled.
Wow, well, I'm short silver here. Look, come on, drop. Wow, just made 5 cents on silver. Sold 94s. You see that? Damn. Wow, this silver is a beast. Look at the gold heat.
Silver at night, I'll tell you that.
Huh?
Look at where we went all the way up to 92, 93.
I just sold 94s. Silver's shorted it. Short more.
About the shorter.
Got the long on the gold?
Yeah.
Oh my God, gold's making new highs.
Filled. Order filled.
God, what happened to silver?
Order filled.
Silver got absolutely kaboomed. Oh my God almighty. Good drop. What the hell happened here?
I don't know.
Order filled.
Just do.
I don't know, but it's gonna drop. Crazy. Up here. How did that come from? Drop it to 15 cents. Look at this thing. Yeah, you had buy stops up here, I guess, right? What's my Lord?
Order rejected.
Where did this thing come from? Damn. That's crazy. That's crazy. Look at this gold rally. Good Lord. Hello, I'm right here. And this silver is gonna, oh my God. Oh my God. Yep, Mikey, good job. Caught the long on the gold. Something came out here. Look at this silver. Silver $100 tomorrow. Good Lord. These are penciled up. Look at the volume on this silver here. Look at this volume. Oh my God. 2,200 contracts there. That's crazy. That's crazy on the silver. Hello, Boo Boo. Hello. Okay, go back. Wow. Silver and gold. Come on, get back, Hendricks. Right thing to do is wait for a nice sharp pullback. Now it's gonna drop. Here we go. Oh my God. Just dropped 20 cents. Unreal. Get back. Get back. Come on. Watch this thing drop down to like 15. Watch. Hello. I'm trying to understand which level is ideal. Middle 50%. Which one? Indicator. Please go back. Please. I haven't seen that in an Asia session. Gold got the long. These scalps were killing me here. Wow. You got gold at 43.37? I don't remember seeing it down there. Good Lord, Danny. You ever see anything like this? Good Lord. I think, well, obviously you got to buy pullbacks here, but I think this thing could pull back really sharply, at least 30, 40 cents here.
Tomorrow.
What?
Climbing like it is, I definitely think we're going to go up another.
$75? I don't know about that. Maybe 68. Maybe 68. Yeah. Why do I think it's going to drop? Because you're too far from the 10 bar, and you want the indicator 3 to get oversold for a long. And you're too far from the moving average here. So I'm looking for a nice pullback. Sell gold? I'm looking to buy gold on pullbacks. I mean, you could try to take shorts, but I think gold's... You cost 50. I think this... I mean, this thing's moving 10 cents out of clip. You see that? 73 to 61? Damn. Boy, oh boy, the metal's really acting great today here. We got 2,000 viewers, I hope. Come on, silver, pull in here. Set up a nice long. Oh my God, it just dropped. Here's 20 cents. Jesus. It's gonna be 30, 40, 50 cents drop. Watch. Watch. You can see the algorithm is so much higher than the moving average. The algorithm is 65.12. Silver is 64.48. It just dropped. Oh my God. Yeah. Just look at this freaking thing drop. Rot. Die. Watch. Who shorted the gold? I think the gold just dropped like $4. You want to see the 5-minute time. Now the ADXs are rising here, so just got down to 40. Wow. You got the long wear on silver here or here at 40. I still think this thing's going to drop to like the mid-20s. You got $4 on the gold short. I had the gold long. I didn't think gold was going to go from 40. Oh, look at this silver. This silver could go all the way down to 65.11. You know that? Look at this silver. This silver can get, once this 5 gets oversold, you got to back up the truck. Look at this, 40 cents, Denny, on the drop. Damn. Damn. Let's see if this thing can pull up. When you get down to 37, just rally 10. When you get these ADXs rising like that, again, when the algorithm is so far high above the 10-bar moving average, you should get a really substantial, watch out below. Yes, sir. 35 on the silver. Thing can get absolutely. We're looking at what, the H's, Marches. Wow, just ran 15, 17 cents. Then you get the pullback on that. Oh, look at this, 20 cents
I
on.
was doing something for my daughter.
Uh-oh.
The mascot is not very happy.
Uh-oh. All right, let's just see here. What's the 3-minute time frame showing you here? Got to watch the 3-minute. Oof. All right, I'd scalp it in and out, but I'm really looking for a nice pullback for the long here. I mean, again, you're too far from the 10-bar moving average, so you want to see once this 3-minute time frame gets oversold into the rising ADX, big buying pressure here. That's when I would be looking to buy it. Biggie, biggie, biggie. Can't you see silver's making new highs? Look at this silver. Oh my God. Monster volume on that break on the new high. Look at this. Come on, bring it down to 65.11. Up another 40 cents. That gold was a masterful pattern. That gold right here. Again, that's a set strategy. When the 15 reverses to buy, right here, you buy the first pullback. Beautiful bull flag. I didn't think gold was going to rally, Jesus, Lord God, $12, but I thought it was going to rally at least 3 to 4. There goes the NASDAQ. There goes the S&Ps. Look at this silver. This ADX is rising, positive MACD. So with this type of strategy, you want to try to get some type of an oversold condition and then another monster leg up here. Mikey, what'd you tell me? Gold short? Good job. I hope you shorted it. Yeah, silver's crazy. My God. And you know, when you're trading silver during the day, you got to look at what? The SLVs, right? You got to look at the SLVs. So the 15's negative, right? The 30s are bullish. Right here, we're going to gap up, obviously, tomorrow if it stays like end of silver. And there's no numbers coming out tomorrow. There's only like 3 or 4 Fed chairmen talking. There goes silver, just ran 30 cents. Jesus. About to say 30. Jesus. All right. Let's see if this thing could. Oh, now it's plotting. 35. All right. Come on, give me a caboose to buy, get long. Look at this positive MACD here. Big rising ADX here, 43. Big buying pressure, plus 40. Yeah, they got to try to get a nice pullback here. Yeah, anybody want to talk to me, you could text me at 914-500-7484. So I wouldn't short it here. I'm looking for pullbacks now. I wouldn't short silver overnight. What are you, crazy? You trade it. Hitman, you got the short, Hitman? Good job. I'm looking for it. Traded down to 35. I was so tempted to try to maybe take a long there at 35, but part of me thinks I think you may get one more push up and then you're going to get I know this. You're not going to, I don't know if you're going to get a pullback like that on the 3-minute. Jesus, there it goes. 914 500-7484. Okay. Damn it, look at that silver gold. That gold was masterful. One of your bond auction at 1 p.m. tomorrow. This bar, that silver is making new highs here. Look at this, 74, 73. Come on, Brinks, you'll get it back. All right. Denny, is that number real, Denny, or is that all fake? Gold making new highs here. Got to wait for more pullbacks here. Oh, my God, 35.
Even more than likely, it's probably fake. And the reason why I say the form, the giveaway.
Yep.
And we only have.
Who's doing this to us, man? The 1 minute time frame. Can't trade. Oh, here's the bull flag on the 1 minute. 35. I still think it's going to drop hard. I really do. When this silver goes, it goes. Gotta look for pullbacks here. Mash the likes if there's 2,000. It's a thriller night here. Absolutely. Look at the gold drop 10 cents here. I'm still looking for a really sharp pullback here on this silver. Come on, give it to me now, you bastard. Look at it. Just drop 20 cents. Oh, here we go. May you rot in hell. You short? You're short the silver?
I wasn't a short.
Oh my God. Good job. Here you go.
Almost 1,000.
You're up 1,000? Good job. Oof.
It's
Man, I'm telling you, but this is gonna. I wouldn't do no more shorting. Not when these ADXs are rising like this, and you want to wait for the pullback here.
No.
The giveaway, the giveaways you got until what time? 9 o'clock to sign up, Denny. Mikey, that's not true. People do win. Come on, drop another 40 cents. Can you believe this? New all-time highs, silver. All right. People do win. Terrible, terrific. Why not?
Andrews, hey.
Get back.
Hey.
Shorting gold yet? No, I'm looking for pullbacks on gold. And I'm looking for pullbacks on NASDAQ, on gold, silver. What is the ADX? What? Okay, thank you. Good boy. The ADX is a momentum indicator I use in collaboration with everything I use here. When the ADXs are rising, that means the trend is in place, up or down. 85% of the time, I use indicators 1, 3, and 4, and 15%, like now, I use all 4. Die, silver. Die. May you die. Drop 50 cents. Drop. Right? Okay? And it gives me the ability, okay, to use that when you get oversold conditions into positive MACDs, rising ADXs. But so indicator 2, actually, oh, look at this silver drop. It's going to set up a nice long, though. 65.12, 65.15 is higher than 65.78. So normally what means that the algorithm will reverse the sell first before it touches the moving average, which is here. So, but we'll see. This is a little bull flag. Let me see what the 3 minutes telling me here. Let's see here. The 3 minute. Yep. Got to wait for the 3 minute to get oversold here. 5. 46. I don't use a 1 minute time frame, John. Okay? Right? All right. Nah, revenge trade? Nah. Biggie, 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 can't you see? 007484. Can anybody hear me? Execution simulator. What? Denny, can you hear me? My internet went down, I think. Uh-oh. Can anybody hear me? Uh-oh. I think I'm screwed. I don't know how to do anything here. Aaron's in a... Okay, they say they can hear me. Okay, thank you. The internet just, I do a dollar stop. This thing is torturing me. 46. Yeah, I got a little bit kabooshed on this. There it goes. There goes the bull flag here. 46. I would raise your stops if you're long the gold. I went down on my funded futures. Oh, try again. Something went wrong. Studio. Yeah. Studio. Hey, Denny, can you hear me now? I'm back, I think.
They are session indicators. Lines, the purple line, levels, the pink lines are...
Denny, can you hear me?
Not a chance, Aguilar.
Denny, can you hear me?
The trading. Honestly, I learned. Yeah, I only trade on the 5.
I don't know.
Yes, I can.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you too.
Okay, good. Okay, the internet went down. Sorry. Okay.
Robert, my main strategy.
Gold making new highs here. S&P's just dropped 6.
We
NASDAQ
don't
just...
have your chart up, Steven.
Oh, I don't know how to do that. Let me just see if I could... You see it there? Let me
No.
see.
No.
Where's Aaron tonight?
Now the stream is gone. Oh,
Thanks, Vaughn. I like my...
okay. I don't know. I don't know how to do this.
I have no idea. I just met him on I'm not an ICT.
I don't know where the fuck's going.
I write it to Daily Limit. I write it to... Asia got swept. Beautiful.
Look at this silver making new highs, Denny. You see this? No, can you guys see me? I just got to get my...
I can only see you.
I
We
don't
can
see...
see you. We just can't see you.
I don't know what happened. I'm waiting to see if maybe Aaron's at his daughter's play, but I'm just trying to figure out what the hell happened here. All right,
So level right here.
This silver here gets up to 89 to even. It's got to. I think it's a short for a scalp. Gold should get one more push up here for look for a pullback.
No, BRNB even is not. He's here with us. I hope everybody can hear him. But,
I can hear me, but I don't know what's going on here. I got to figure out.
Be my real account.
Can you see me now? Can you see the chart?
No.
Only see me.
Steven, there's a little screen on the StreamYard.
Yeah, I can't even find StreamYard. Just disappeared. Just give me a second. Let me just call Aaron here. Let me just.
I like that one. Heard of chicken and soup? Trading strategy, though, I've not heard of that.
Don't know.
Chicken or the soup?
I don't know where the StreamYard went to either.
All right, RKY. Thank you, Chicken Trader.
Yep. Silver ran. Come on, die, Silver.
I've never seen a single video of ice.
Me neither. I don't understand it. I don't care.
I only like trading the 50.
Where's the
Where's the
StreamYard go?
Drawdown, but yeah,
The
Tim,
StreamYard's
I've
missing.
never seen a single ice.
There
Telling
it
you
is.
about from a friend.
Now I got to figure out how to
And
get my charts.
Here? Yeah, click here.
This
Watch
one?
it on my YouTube channel. Yeah, I've heard that he's very profitable.
We have that, but that's
Space
stations.
Station.
Here, look, you have
I have to like record it and show it to you.
to share the
So
screen.
there's
If you short this silver at 89, just lower your stops here. This thing's going to get kabooshed. I was about to say short the gold at 55. I didn't understand here.
I may know what it.
Jennifer,
this
I
one.
usually risk
What?
about
Go,
$500
yeah, go.
per.
The main?
Sections?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here, click.
Wow, look at this silver. Just got kabooshed. Denny, can you see my chart now?
Yep, we can now.
Okay, thank you. There you go.
Because there's
Okay. Okay, thank you, thank you. Yeah, hey, I fixed it for my friend the Futures. I fixed it, but no, I fixed it with Jeff, but I think our Discord is down. Just tell me what to do. I'll just do it. I don't want to take away from your family. No. They say they can hear me. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you, brother. Okay. Well, look at this silver drop. Finally. Hitman, you get short up there, Hitman, above 89. Hitman. Okay. Silver just got, come on. Drop. Die. Okay. Oh my God. Look at this silver. 30 cents. Come on. Die. Another. Look at this. Gold just got kabooshed. You sure 65 E's. Good job, Hitman. Oh my God. This is a trade of the night right here. I hope you heard me say look to short that up there. Again. Short silver, you short gold?
silver.
Gold just got kabooshed, $5.50. Silver is 40 cents at 49. Hitman, I would lower your stops. Rot. Die. Look at it. Die. Silver. May you rot in hell. Lower your stops. Oh my God almighty. Too late to short silver? I would. Not short it here. Oh, please. Watch. Look at the algorithm. It's going to reverse the sell here. Oh, 5 minute getting oversold. You're going to get stopped out, Hitman. Maybe not. Give me another 20 cents, Hitman. Die! Rot! Look at this. May you rot. Now, this silver, if it gets down probably to the 27.5, 20 to the, if it gets down to the 35.45, I probably look to buy it. When this 5 turns up, look out. Why silver is the conductor? What happened? Choking?
No.
He was digging like he wants to sleep. Okay. Don't sugarcoat what? Silver? You get Hitman, you got stopped out? All right. I would lower this thing. I think this thing's going to like to 20, 25, 35. I'm telling you. Oh my God, that gold just got kabooshed. I love when they go down. Good job, Hitman. This 5 minute time frame is going to turn up here. This thing gets down to like the probably like the 28 to 42 range, 22 to 44 range. Sorry, 30 to 44 range on the silver. Silver target 23.5. You know what? I think he's right. I'd cancel that. I think it's going to pull in here. All right, let's just see. I don't want to miss this long, though. Be careful. Good job, Hitman. Come on, die. Rot. Now, the 3-minute time frame is getting oversold here. Oh, my God. Come on, give me a spike down. 30 cents. Biggie, biggie, biggie. Can't you see? Give me this pullback on silver. Come on. Let's go. May you rot in hell. Look at this. Come on. I know this pattern. Come on. This thing, I don't know if you're going to get it. Come on. Give me a push. Give me this push. Come on. Give me 35. The silver gets to the 20 to 35 range or 23 to 38 range. I'll probably look to buy it in that range. Oh, my God. Oh, God. Thank you. Please. Silver and gold. Oh, my God. Gold just got kabooshed. $8. Silver down almost 50 cents. This is absolutely a Picasso. Absolutely a Picasso. I told you when the algorithm is above the 10 bar, look at this, 38. That's 50 cents on this silver. Are you kidding me or what? This gold's got to be bought here between the even and a half and 46.5. This silver may get one more push up now on the bull flag. Oh my God, it could get down to 27. But you got to start somewhere. Oh my God. Now the MACDs are negative here on the 5, so any push up should make a lower high. And plus you got raise your stops. Here you go. 40 up to 45, 47. You see here, you got the 15-minute time frame rolling over, but the ADXs are rising. So I expect one more push up here. There you go. Come on. Let's go. This gold should be bought. Yeah, that's from the snowman, right? Rudolph the Red Nose. Silver and gold. Silver and gold. Brian, how you doing, Brian? Brinks, you get that short up there? 89, 88, Brinks. Snowman. There you go. There it goes. There it goes, Hitman. There it goes, Hitman. There it goes, Denny on the block. There it goes. Raise your stops. Gold. Kaboom. Look at that. Picasso.
Do you know how much silver if you would have got into a box?
Forget about that. We're long this silver on this trade. We're up 20 cents.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yes.
If you would have learned it when I first opened.
What's wrong with this trade right here? What are you, crazy?
Hey, I'm done for tonight.
Are you nuts? Not taking that long? What are you, bananas? Are you kidding me? Hitman. Merry Christmas, Hitman. Merry Christmas, my funded futures. There you go. I told you. Look, oh my God. Don't tell me you got out of that long.
Wow.
Oh my God.
I got it to 20 points.
Oh my God.
20 cents.
What are you on, morphine? Look at this. Look at the gold rally. This silver is on morphine. It's Christmas in December. Oh my God. Oh my God. $9.50. That's an absolute Picasso. Oh my God. Briggs! Briggs! Let's go, Briggs! My daughter, Henny just jumped out of his skin. Hi, Daddy Boo Boo. I love you. I love you. Oh my God. OMG. Daddy loves you. I love my boy. Long gold, short what? Long gold, then long gold. Love it. Brian, how are you? Get back. Come on, stop wrecking the whole office. Come on, get back. Do you get that long?
Yeah.
Good job. Look at that. If it ticks 67, that's up 30 cents. Wow. God bless you, Sam. What a oh my God, 60. Look at the gold. I wouldn't be short these. I mean, that pullback was a Picasso. Now, because the 15s are rolling over, the MACDs are negative, it should make a lower high here. Okay? Right, Christmas, right. Hand on the mouse. That might be it here. Who cares? That was a good run, though.
Yeah.
David, that's a great long. I'm exhausted. That's, oof. See what I'm saying? Lower high. I'm almost tempted to say short it. You got the 15s rolling over. The negative MACD here. One more push? I don't know, man. I like to see. If you do get a push up, I would look to short it against on if the 5s get overbought like that into these negative MACDs, you want to probably, look to short it. So this was the 3-minute bull flag, but let's just see. What's the VP? Oh, silver drop. I think that might be it, though. Wow, that was the trade of the day, right there. This here, this drop, this the bull flag, and now you got the sell divergence here. I don't know if it's going to get 67 again. That might have been it. 66. Great job, Sam Murda. Silver just dropped 10 cents. That's about it. Oof. Brinks, you get that long, Brinks? You fight back? Oh, that's it. Silver just dropped 14. That's it. I told you you can make a lower high. Come on, let's see if we get one more push up here. Good job, Brinks. You make it back, brother? Did you make it back?
Basic.
Silver might drop here. And go get the 43.52. Maybe on this push up on the 5. Is gold to buy? Not here, but lower. This silver. Told you it's going to make a lower high. Shoot. It's dropped 14. Yep, silver. Oh my God, silver just exploded 3.5%. Let's look at the daily chart on this silver. Look at this daily chart. ADX is rising the whole way up. Good Lord, new highs. Okay, I wouldn't buy gold here now. I called the gold lower. Okay, on the pullback when silver. Let's go, Brinks. This is where the gold was right here. I said below 47.5. There goes gold. Come on, silver rallying. Silver right back up to 62 again. I think the bond market's telling you something, that the market's in trouble. Ashwin, why? What's the matter, Ashwin? All right, let's do this here. Where's this freaking silver? I still think this silver, that's the 5-minute. What just happened with silver? The MACDs were negative here. What's going on here? Can go wrong. Why did my chart change? I was looking at the 3-minute. That's why. 5 still bullish. Wait till this 5 pushes up here. Oof. Oof. There goes the gold up 4. There goes Ashwin. Why? What's the problem? Writing short 6-7 on silver. Be careful. If you're short, I hope you covered it down when it dropped. Oh, look, there goes the gold. Brinks, you got long the gold? Oh my God, look at that. Good Lord. Good Lordy. Denny, this number is still at 2,000. Is this right, or it's all fugazi? Denny. I said I wouldn't buy gold where you wanted it. I had a range. I did not want to buy higher. Good job, Vaughn. That was the long. I was looking to. I said, look to buy the gold 42.5 to 47.5, and gold got down to 47. I wouldn't have bought it here. I said, okay, at 49. It was a way to buy it. So, if you bought it, right? Blue were funded, but passed 3 more in silver. Okay. You stop acting like a nut. What is he doing? Go to sleep. What happened? He ate that bone already?
No.
He loves his treats. All right. This silver is running into a wall here. 3-minute. Fives. That was a beautiful pattern. Silver got down to 34. Nasdaq, very quiet. He had one bone, Daryl. One bone. Sam Murda, great job, Sam Murda. Hitman, great job. Anybody new here today? Anybody new? Put a 1. And if there's anybody new here, this silver gonna drop off the 3. If you anybody new here? Anybody new? No? Okay. If anybody wants access to my if anybody wants access to my 5-day free trial, which I stream every day from 8:30 to 4, you can just text me at 914 500-7484. Hitman, great job tonight, Hitman. Good job. If anybody new wants to text me, again, for a 5-day free trial, my cell phone number is 914-500-7484. I'm happy to give it to you. Look at my Henny drinking. Thank you, Denny. All right. Oh, my God. He drinks a gallon of water a day. You hear this? I know. I don't know if that bar was news. I don't know, but somebody ran in to buy 1,300 contracts. No more. Get back. Go to sleep. Come on, boo-boo. He loves you. Like a moose. You hear this, kid? You hear this dog? He's a water buffalo. Hey. Get back. Give that dog some. Get back. Stop eating everything. Come on. Come on. Silver and gold. Wow. There you go, Bob Barker. Great job, Bob Barker. I think the market's going to get cabooshed. Okay, that's what I think. Okay, I think the market's going to get cabooshed. Here goes the silver dropping. Okay, that's off the 3-minute time frame. I think silver is exhausted now. Get back, please. Get back. Bob Barker, come on down. Thank you, Sam Murda. That's very kind of you. You caught a nice 60-handle bounce win on the NASDAQ. Today, the longs were off the 30 and 60-minute time frame on the NASDAQ and S&P. I'll show you. If you look here on the NQ, please get back. You're ruining everything. Get back.
Hendrix. Hey, Hendrix.
Everything I have here.
Hendrix.
If you look here, you can see the 30 and 60-minute time frames right here. Okay, you can see, as I showed you, the buy divergences. Here's a low, then it rallied. Here's a low. Here's a low. Okay, you can see that the MACDs never made a new low on the 30 and the 60-minute time frame. That's a huge buy divergence right there. That's a monster buy divergence. So just wanted to share that with you. Okay, that's a really monster buy divergence right there. Okay, Bob Barker, you understand that? That's during the day. So the 30-minute time frame, right? You made a low here, you made a low here, you made a low here, and all these 3 lows we caught every long known to mankind. Is this guy crazy? Can you go to sleep? Get back. That's it. Get back. Enough is enough. All right? Like Telly Savalas said. Okay? All right? What? The S&Ps? Yeah, I saw these divergences today, and we caught every one of these longs, especially this long when the S&Ps were trading 17.5. Oh, the AM session was, oh, yeah. Well, the AM session had a different strategy here, okay? When you made the new high here at 10 o'clock here, then you have to resort to the QQQs, okay? Because the QQQs right here, is this the one right here, 10 o'clock? That's the six. Here, you see here? The MAC, you're pushing up here, and the MACDs couldn't confirm the highs. See that? Right there? You see that? That's the opening right here. Okay? But the 60-minute QQQs, as I said in my podcast, that you can't, will not make new highs here. right? Very, very, very great. That's why I come in every day and I study the 60, 30, and 15-minute time frames here. Okay? What's silver doing? Doing nothing. Oy. You die, silver. You have to look, when you're trading the U.S. market, you really need to look at the underlying ETFs. Okay? You're welcome, HE. If you want to text me or call me, again, you can give me a holler, 914-500-7484. Okay? Really not much going on now here. If they can, you guys can see me here now. I'll take that off right there. Come on down, Bob Barker. Well, the 60-minute time frame on silver reversed here. So what you want to do here now, the real trade of the day is going to be when these 15-minute time frames can get set up a bull flag here. So when you have this big rising ADX and you have the big buying pressure here, oops, the thing is too big here. Let me just, how much you up tonight? 1,200? Stop. Right? You got to look at the underlying GLDs for gold and SLV. Silver got cabooshed in 1 minute. Well, the real trade, what you want, okay, is you want to get these 15s to do. Now, when you get this big buying pressure here, you're not going to get it. You're going to get something like this. Then the next one's going to be like that, and then up. I've seen this pattern in my sleep. Okay? That, you done?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
1,400.
1,400? Good. What's wrong with that? It's a good day. You made about 8,000 today.
Yeah. Silver.
There goes the silver. 5-minute time frame. Look at that. What a beautiful pattern. First pullback on the 5-minute. Gold's going to get another push up here. Yep. Thank you, BB Rich. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right. Hey, listen, thank My Funded Futures for sponsoring this hour. Thank you, Denny. Thank you, Luke. I think they're going to get cabooshed. No, Jeff made 8,000. What kind of account were you using today? They're asking. What my friend? Which my Funded Futures? The Rapid one?
Yeah.
The new Rapid one. Okay, what did the silver just get up to? 5. Man, it drops like 15 cents at a clip. Those had to be bots. We just dropped like 800 people. Oh my God, the silver. Come on. Jesus. I was looking to go back. Oh man. Fuck. Please see GLD. They don't trade at GLDs. You don't trade GLDs in the Asia session. Only during the US session.
Steven, he means gold.
Oh, he says GLDs here.
Yeah, it's the typical.
Oh. Jesus, look at this silver drop 30 cents. So what am I looking at? Gold here right now? The only way you're going to buy gold is if when these 15-minute time frames reverse here. What that NASDAQ just ran 30. Oh, jeez. Yeah, you see this pattern here? You're setting up a nice bull flag here. So if this gold gets down to like the probably 37.5, 43.5 range, you got this. I think this 15s are gonna get oversold into the positive MACD and then turn up. This is the NASDAQ. I was too busy watching silver. NASDAQ here, 5-minute time frame, reverses to buy. So let me just teach you this strategy really quickly, okay? So you're bullish on the 15 on the NASDAQ, you're bullish on the 30, you're bullish on the 60-minute time frame, right? Okay. And when the algorithm reverses to buy here with the MACDs above the pivot, you could take the short, boom, 25,359. It drops, okay, 25, where does it go? 25,359. It gets kabooshed about 30 cents. Then you look to buy the first pullback on the 5-minute. It goes from 31 all the way up to 71. So 30 down, 40 up. There you go. 30 up. Okay, now on the new high, these 15s didn't confirm. So S&P's just got kabooshed here. Very hard. That's a great job, Jeffrey, today. So that's how that strategy works. Here we go. So it looks like we got botted because 1,600 people went bye-bye. Okay. Still got about 600 though here. All right. So again, that's the set strategy. The 5-minute goes double blue, right? Short that if you like, or you just wait for the first pullback on the 5. Okay? All right. Silver. Unbelievable. Let's see, about 14 minutes we'll do the raffles here. Okay? Hey Jay, just Blaze, how are you? Nasdaq Asia push. And probably get another push up here. And here goes the gold. Gold's getting kabooshed. Again, I looked at 37.5 to 43.5 range long. 15 should set up here. Silver just got kabooshed. That just dropped 22 cents. Gold dropping. NASDAQ nothing. Really quiet here. All right. Anybody have any questions at all? Anybody? And again, I'll be on My Funded Futures tomorrow from 10:30 to 11:30. Again, really great great hour, 10:30 to 11:30. Hey, Zill. Goes to gold. Come on, give me one more push up on this gold. This gold, 44 up to 46. If you want to take some exit some longs here. Now, the real strategy is going to be when the gold turns up on the 15. Hey, Digicap. And again, anybody who wants a free trial to my website, to my live stream on Discord, just let me know, okay? If anybody wants to give me a holler, no problem. Again, the trade flows, I told you. There goes the gold, Brinks. Brinks, I hope you got that long on the gold, Brinks. Get in there. Brinks. Heat. Hope you got that long. No, you have to sign. I have a free trial. Anybody wants a free trial, a 5-day free trial, you have to text me your full name and email at 914-500-7484. Brinks, let's go, Brinks. Brinks, I would raise your stops. That's $3 on the gold. Go, baby, go. Come on. Give me a push up. There you go. Are you part of that, Digicap? The free trial is for 5 days. The minute you get it, it starts from that day. Job. Okay? Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes the words just hypnotize me. Wow, look at the gold. Brinks, what'd you make on that one, Brinks? Good job, Melina. Great job, Melina. Okay. Oh my God. Look at this gold, Brinks. Are you bananas? Look at that. $6 in gold. $5 in gold. All right. Let's go. We got 1,500 to go. Relentless. Who made bad jokes? Great job, Melina. S&P's making new highs. NASDAQ making new highs. Target for gold? I don't know. I would just keep raising your stops. These 15s, once these 15, silver, baby. There you go. What happened?
No, silver.
What are these indicators? I can't go over it now, but if you want a 5-day free trial, you can just text me 914-500-7484. Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes the words. I would short this NASDAQ up there. If it gets up to the 68 to 88, 98 range, S&Ps, they get up to the 56 to 60, 61, I'd short it. I think that these time frames here, they're not confirming here. You're long silver 65, 62. Be careful. The MACDs are not confirming these. I should have just shorted that. Okay, now the MACD. So if this silver pushes up here, the MACDs are not confirming the highs here. You see this? You want to short the next. I would look to short the next bounce. Okay. Be careful buying. This is the perfect place to buy it. You're going to probably get stopped out here, or you could raise your stops. Am I bullish on gold? For when? Tonight? Tomorrow? How does silver look? I think silver is going to want to sit up on the 15. You're going to have some type of a bull flag set up here. CDK. So, I don't know. Let's see if the silver gets one more push up to get short. Seven minutes till the giveaway. Yep, dollars getting killed. Let's look at the dollar yen. USD, JPY. Let's look at the dollar yen. Why is the dollar yen rallying like this? What are you, crazy? Dollar yen rallying? I don't know. All right, S&Ps and NASDAQ. If you're short, lower your stops. If you're short, lower your stops. Silver, if it gets back up near the highs. Giveaways past 9 o'clock. You short to gold at 48.10? Okay, good job. Oof. Gold just got caboose, $3. All right, we're going to do the raffle in about 6 minutes here. Low for the first time. All right. You forgot to sign up for the, okay? Hey, Matt Landy, how are you? James Bond, how'd you do tonight, James Bond? Okay, we're going to do the raffle here in about 4 minutes, Denny. Ugh. I call everybody back, Joe, believe it or not. I believe in that. You know, I've been doing this game too long. Are you shorting gold? No. I think gold's going to turn up on the 15-minute time frame. I called a long in gold. When these 15-minute time frame on gold turns up here, look out to the upside. Why is silver going nuts right now? Silver went nuts on this bar right here. And then this was the beautiful pullback on silver. Now, I said look to short the silver if it got up above 87, 88 here, but I don't know if that's going to happen here. Hope everybody has a, you know, again, my funded futures, the best prop firm out there. And I want everybody to realize, you know, Denny taking his time here, me, it's really great. It's a really great day. And also, it's really important to understand the commitment that my fund of futures has. A lot of great things happening. Is S&P about to get caboose? I'd be short. Okay. 60s are overbought here. 94 over the 30s. I think the market's going to get caboosed. Okay. Again, My Fund the Futures, phenomenal job. What are we on, our 6th month now, Denny? 7th month? Pro Trader. No, I said, what are we doing this now? 6 months now? So, I'm not going to mention the name of the firms, but there are two. What? Yep. Look at this silver. It hit that 87 again twice. Hitman, you get short up there? No, I think we're doing the 6 months. My Fund of Futures is the best. Absolutely. So, before Denny does the giveaway, I want to just tell you, I'm not going to mention the names of the firms, but there are two people I know that I know very, very well. And both are owed a staggering amount of money. And both of them actually, one keeps getting a message, oh, our compliance is looking at this. Okay? It's been over a month, 3 weeks. The other one said, no, we're not paying you. You did something. He says, I didn't do anything, right? Anyway, I'm not saying any names, okay? But My Fund of Futures is on a mission. Luke, Matt, Denny, Ash, we're all here, okay? All the people who come on My Fund of Futures TV, all the hosts, we're all here to help you all become better traders. I am not an affiliate. You're short silver. Thank God. Hitman, good job. Okay? I just want you to know, die silver. Just die. Okay? The raffle's over, youngs. Okay? And why, you own it? No, I just think it's going to drop off the 15. Long gold, yeah, I'd be long this gold. If it gets down to the 37.43 range, down there again, these 15s are going to turn up here. Can one create a cash account? Your education and trade with you, sir? Just text me 914-500-7484. See what Hitman does? He lowers the stop. Good job. Long the NASDAQ? I'd be short the NASDAQ. I'd be short the NASDAQ. I'd be short the S&Ps up here. There goes the gold. Okay? And I will tell you that My Fund of Futures is committed to you, all of you, to learn, to pass. Okay? I'm not an affiliate. Okay? I'm not an affiliate. Anyway, with that being said, Denny, you want to do the raffles? Me too. I can't wait to see you.
Here. El Camaro, are you? Joe, we're going out for dinner.
No, I'm going to dinner. I'm driving to Orlando.
Yep.
Yellow Camaro, I love that.
Gone.
Gone.
Gone. That's what you get for
Oof. I'm exhausted.
IRT trades.
Oh, no, the micros, forget it. I was short like 45 micros in silver before. Crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, this 15-minute goal is going to turn up here. Congrats, everybody. That's what I'm talking about, Joe Mappa. I know, John, I'm not drinking that night, Denny. Don't worry. Come on, Gold. Give me another push-up here.
Be long. Be long.
Be long?
What's that option man say?
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't drink.
I'm not drinking either. And plus, it is cold here in Florida. Good Lord God.
Oh, Steve, it
Yep.
was 16 degrees here.
16? What are you, crazy?
Hot. It was 16 degrees. Bill Prima.
Oh my
You
God.
take your coldness back.
Oh my God.
I mean, oh, Prima, I see you.
Oh man. I would skill out of this Gold 42 to 46 here. Gold should get one more push up here. Look at this silver, man. You rotten hell. The silver is going to pull in on the 15, and that's when you buy it. I would look to buy it. Who's Tim Newman? I've never. Well, congratulations. How many we got left?
He's here.
NASDAQ and S&Ps, I would cover your shorts if you're on NASDAQ and S&P. Hey, is he all right with his bone?
He's fine.
Okay. Congratulations. So that's it, Denny? That's it? All right. Well, 3 minutes to go. I want to say thank you again to My Funded Futures for sponsoring tonight. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. This is the double blue buy here. Let me just look at this. 87. When the algorithm reverses to buy with the MACD above the pivot, you take the short. That's why it dropped 20 cents there. But anyway, I want to say thank you to my friend the futures. Gold should get another push up. Look to scale out any longs here between 42 and 46. Have a great night, everybody. S&Ps and NASDAQ just got absolutely kabooshed. Waited right to the end. S&Ps dropped 3. NASDAQ, what'd they just do here? NASDAQ. NQ, what'd they do here? Look at the NASDAQ here. Okay, Kevin. Oh, my God. NASDAQ just dropped. What, are you kidding me? 17. Come on, back. Stop it. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Josie Trade. Thank you. Okay, Chris, have a great night, everybody. Gold headed to the bottom of the channel. I think gold's going to turn up on the 15. All right, anybody short the NASDAQ or S&Ps, I would just close out the positions. Have a great night. Denny, have a great night, my brother. Okay, there's Hendricks. Looking forward to seeing you on Saturday, but we'll be here tomorrow night and Thursday night. I can't believe it's only Tuesday. Have a great night, everybody. God bless you. And, of course, as always, God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.
Good night, everyone.
Like hieroglyphs.